receive the machine, firstly install the control panel on the platform, and it is fixed by the screws like this, and totally 4 screws to fix the control panel on the platform. And after install it, and you need to connect the wires with the machine, and it has the corresponding number. Connect the suitable wires to the right position. That is okay. And this is the guide of the platform. We also fix it by the screws. When you receive the machine, you also need to loosen the screws and then fix the guide on the platform, and then fix it by the screws. And took 1, 2, 3, and totally 3 screws is for this large guide. And this is quick clamp, and it is connected for the platform's guide and the stair guides. It's connected. This one is connected by this one. This one is the screws to fix stairs on the fix on the stairs. So it is this one. This one. And before losing it, using this cap first, and using these screws, and then you can fix the guide on the stairs like this. And here, two screws to fix the stairs on the platform. This one and this one. And this one, the last one is fix this platform with the maple. The screw is for the control panel, and this one is for the guide on the stairs, and this one is connected to the platform. And the guide of the platform also use these screws, the longer one. And here's this charge outlet hole, and you connect them with the quick cover. Here's the powder inlet hole, and this is the charge outlet hole. You will use the quick clamp to connect them with the main hand.